Today's topic for the discussion is twin screw extruder. So far we have studied single screw extruder. Now we will see how the twin screw extruder exactly works, what are the different types and its construction. The term twin screw applies to the extruder with two screws having equal length and placed inside the same barrel. It consists of parallel screws in a barrel. It is more complicated than the single screw extruder. So we can say that there are different two screws which are placed inside a single barrel, but they have same length and they can be placed they are placed parallelly, but it provides much more flexibility and better control over the product than SSE. Twin screw produce a more uniform flow of the product through the barrel due to the positive pumping action of the screw flight. So because of the screw flight, what happens, whatever the product prepared or mixed, it get further conveyed because of this flight. So this action is known as positive pumping action. Not necessarily always there is the positive pumping action. At some cases backward type of pumping can also be occurred. So here you can see the diagrammatic representation of TWE, that is twin screw extruder. So at the left side there are drive motors which drives the forces or create the forces, and these two screws here you can see there are pitches which get compacted as it get closer to the dies, and then at the kneading section there are kneading plates which knead the products thoroughly, and then our product goes further or conveyed. This is similar, but it is just 3D diagram. So though it is related to the here it is related to the plastic, but just consider through our food diagram. So just consider that these are the different blue and red are the elements or the particles or the ingredients of a product which we used. So at first the different ingredients are showed, but as we go further the mixing get continuous, and at the last or at the dissection you can clearly see that all the elements get thoroughly mixed and form a single product. So at the right side these are the screws, and at the left side you can see how these two screws are placed inside the barrel. There is small opening where we put our these screws. Also you can see at the right side there are discs in between, so our food just not only pass through these, but also it flows beside this disc. So now we will see how or what are the different types of twin screw works. So they are generally categorized according to the direction of the screw rotation and to the degree to which the screws intermesh. So it means either your screw can rotate counterwise or co-rotate. It means if you consider the first type, that is counter rotating twin screw, here in the diagram you can clearly show that one of the screws rotate anti-clockwise and the other screw rotates clockwise. So this type is counter rotating twin screw, and co-rotating means both of the screws rotate in the similar direction. So these two categories can be further subdivided on the basis of position of the screw in relation to the one another. That it means either they are intermeshed or not intermeshed. It means what exactly happens if you use two or twin screw extruder. So either these two screws get intermeshed, they are interlinked or not. The space between them is more or not. It on that place or the gap you can determine either it is intermeshing type or non-intermeshing type. The non-intermeshing twin screw extruder is like two single screw extruders sitting side by side with only a small portion of the barrel in common. So they are nothing different than single screw extruder. Just consider as two single screw extruders are placed inside a barrel. But it is not same as intermeshing type. In intermeshing type they are interlinked. The gap between them is quite very low.